Hello and welcome to you all. I am right now at the launch of the Yards by Beyond. It is the talk of the town. This is located in the city of Arabia. Now, city of Arabia is located on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, making it easy access in and out for you to go towards the south of Dubai or the north of Dubai. Now, with Beyond as the developer, if you do not know about them, they are basically a sister company, or let's say a DNA of Omniat Group, and Omniat does only high-end projects. And Beyond as well, following the footsteps of Beyond, they only launch high-end projects. And in fact, if you know about the previous projects in the Dubai Maritime City, their one bedrooms there starts from 2 million, 3 million onwards. But now for the first time, they're launching the yards where the one bedrooms here are only starting from 1 million onwards, catering for both the investors and end users. Now let's talk about the yards. Here the yards is about 165,000 square meter of a community. You have total 17 buildings. Here you are going to have 70% of which is going to be dedicated for greenery and landscape and so on. And the best part about this community is you have a mix of residential buildings, you have retail, F&B, and also you're going to have 3 buildings only for commercial, which is going to be later on the phases when they're going to launch it. Of course, they will sell those as well. Within the city of Arabia, you have IMG World, which is basically a theme park for both adults and kids. And you are also very closely located to Global Village, which is just basically on the same line of Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, making it just 10 minutes drive to it. Now you are going to also have a Golden Line metro station in the future, which is again going to add more value to the location in itself. So in terms of close proximity, you are looking at just about 15-20 minutes to go to the Mall of the Emirates side, again 20 minutes towards the downtown, and so on. Now with Beyond, they have chosen world-class designers for this community. Let me start with the leading consultancy, which is D1. They're known for the architecture and engineering. Then you have leading architect, which is HBL UK, which is going to be responsible for the exterior part of it basically. Then you have HBL Singapore, which is going to be taking care part of the interiors, the palettes. Like you see these renders here on the screen, these are the apartments, these are the renders. That's the HBL Singapore is going to take care of. Then you're also going to have the Cooper's Hills company that's going to take care of the landscape, the garden part of it, basically, to ensure that you have that quality family living, family community in this project. Now, there are going to be 5 phases, of which the first phase is going to be right over here, which is Aran Shia district, or let's say around Shia phase. You have 3 buildings, building A, building B, and building C, of which you're going to have 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. They come with spacious sizes. Every building here will have roof garden, as you can see. Each building will have that. And also another important point is you are going to have apartments here with large terraces on the ground floor, here, over here as well, and here as well. Now, this is not going to be an inconvenience to the residences living here. It's still going to give you that privacy, because this amenities, as you can see, is about 4 to 5 meters down. So they will have their fun, they will enjoy, they will not disturb you, you will not be able to disturb them, making it peace and harmony within the community. Well, in terms of amenities, you have lots of them. You have within the complex, then you have a lot over here as well, which is basically the lazy river kind of a concept. You are going to have beach pool kind of a concept, a beach house, gym, indoor, a lot of amenities and facilities, which I'm going to mention here on the screen. What are the views for these units? You have either facing towards the roadside, basically here, or you have facing within the complex, and then the most premium, which I think is facing towards the other amenities on the other clusters or the other phases. Now let me get into these sizes and prices. The 1 bedrooms here, you're looking at 750, 780 square feet for a 1 bedroom. I'm just giving you the average sizes. The prices you're starting from only 1 million onwards, making it lucrative. Then you have 2 bedrooms here, which is about 1200 square feet, and the prices here starting from only 2.1 million onwards. For the 3 bedrooms, you have only 2 units per building, making it very few and will be perfect for capital appreciation in the future. Here, these sizes, we're looking at 1800 square feet, and the prices here starting from only 3.3 million onwards. Now, it is said that because there's a lot of demand, they are obviously going to sell this. This is no doubt. They will sell this on the day of launch, which is in the next 2 to 3 days. they are expected to also launch the second phase because of the demand. So you can imagine, if you do not make the most use of the first two phases, the prices are only going to increase in the next few phases. Now, with Beyond, they have also mentioned that the other part of City of Arabia, they are going to be extending their communities, different phases. We're not sure of the details yet. This is not the only community by Beyond here in the City of Arabia. They are going to have a lot more coming up in the future. So this is no more than a community. You can say it is going to be a master community by Beyond. Now, with the payment plan here is 40-60, 40% during construction and 60% here will be on handover, and the handover details I will mention here on the screen. There is an EOI process, so get in touch with me at the earliest in order for you to get a good unit allocation. So get in touch with me ASAP and I'll be there to assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.